Namaste. Shat Kriya, the 6 types of cleansing technique in our yogic system, namely Kapalbhati, Trataka, Neti, Dauti, Nauli, and Vasti. So there are totally 6 types of cleansing techniques. I'm going to explain you each technique in different videos, and today I'll be explaining you more about Neti Kriya. Okay, Neti Kriya means nasal cleansing or nasal irrigation. There are 2 types of Neti Kriya again, Jalaneti and Sutraneti. Jalaneti means nasal cleansing using the water. Sutraneti means nasal cleansing using the thread. So the thread nasal cleansing I will present you in one more video. And today let us practice and know how to practice the Jalaneti Kriya, the water nasal cleansing. See the things, whatever it is required for this, very simple. Warm water, okay, it should be like lukewarm water, pure salt, and neti pot. Neti pots comes in different, it comes in plastic, copper, steel, clay, mud, whatever it is. But make sure that if you're using the plastic, it should be a food graded plastic. Okay, so clean the neti pots and make it ready. Now the amount of salt you need to add is, if it is around 500 ml of water, you need to add around 2.5 grams of salt. Okay, make sure that the water is not too hot or too cold. It should be lukewarm. Exactly, it should be like your tears, the salty like your tears. So now after mixing the salt to the water, I'm going to take this in the neti pot. Okay, now so what you're going to do is, you're going to pour this water in one nasal and which comes out in the different nasal. Remember, you should breathe always in your mouth. If you don't breathe in your mouth, the water may enter into your sinusitis and it may cause you headache, pain, insomnia or migraine also. So you need to be very careful when you're practicing. You need to practice this under the guidance of any yoga instructors. Okay, and the benefits of this Neti Kriya is, it is very good for insomnia problem, migraine problem, sinusitis, rhinitis, many headaches, common cold, flus, very highly beneficial. And also you will not believe, recently a asthma patient, one who practiced Neti Kriya every day, within 2 weeks he got around 70% recovery from his asthma. So you know the effect, the effect of Neti Kriya. Please do practice. Observe me. Now I'm going to show you how to practice, and if you have any doubts you can always contact me. Okay, so now what I'll do is, this Neti Kriya you can stand and practice, or you can also sit and practice. See, now I'm going to put this pot in one of the left nostril. It will take some time to come all the way to the right side. Traffic jam, if there is any blockages, it takes some time, right? So you need to wait with patience and open your mouth. This happens only for first or second day. It may happen little difficulty in flowing for first or second day. Once you get too used to it, every day if you are practicing, it comes out immediately. So like this. So now what you will do is, you are going to adjust your head, okay, like this. Once you keep the nostril, open your mouth, breathe in your mouth, keep breathing and adjust your head. Until the water flows. Let it go very easy. Now I finished 1 jug of water in one nostril. So after doing the Neti Kriya, it's very important to blow the, the remaining water which is stuck inside. You need to blow it hard so that there is no any remains of the water inside. Otherwise it might cause you migraine or headache. Now you're going to use the second jug of water towards the opposite side. Again, adjust the head, open your mouth and breathe. Let it go easy. Very important is adjusting your head. Now again, blowing. So this is the way you practice Jalaneti Kriya. Make it as a habit, practicing Jalaneti Kriya every day morning. Okay, and you will definitely see the benefit of this Neti Kriya within 2 weeks. Once you practice this Neti Kriya, you can feel already, the movement of your prana so easily. The breathe, the way you breathe completely changes. It is so clear and crystal. Okay, so practice this Neti Kriya. But again, I'm telling you, you need to practice this under a supervision of your yoga teachers. But if you have any doubts, any confusion, please do always contact me. Remember, entire yogic system is to lead life happily and healthy. I hope you will follow this. Namaste.